Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has issued a stark warning to Israel, cautioning against potential military actions spilling over into Lebanon. In a televised address to members of his party in the Turkish parliament, Erdogan expressed deep concern over Israel's alleged plans to extend its military operations beyond Gaza into Lebanon. He accused Western powers of covertly supporting Israel's expansionist agenda, suggesting they publicly oppose such actions while privately endorsing them. Erdogan emphasized that any escalation of the conflict could lead to severe regional consequences, warning of a significant disaster if the war spreads further. He reiterated these concerns in a phone call with Lebanese Prime Minister Najib Mikati, affirming Turkey's support for Lebanon against what he termed as Israel's aggressive policies. The backdrop to Erdogan's warnings includes Israel's recent approval of operational plans for potential military offensives in Lebanon and Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's announcement of troop redeployments to the northern border. Tensions have escalated further with Erdogan openly criticizing Netanyahu, describing him as mentally unstable and lambasting Western nations for their perceived subservience to Israeli leadership. Erdogan also called out Muslim-majority countries for what he saw as inadequate responses to Israel's actions, urging regional solidarity with Lebanon. His remarks have triggered diplomatic tensions with Israel, with Israeli officials accusing Erdogan of supporting Hezbollah and undermining Israel's right to self-defense against what they label as terrorist threats emanating from Lebanon under Iranian influence. This escalating situation underscores the intricate dynamics of Middle Eastern geopolitics, with Turkey positioning itself as a vocal advocate for Palestinian rights and a critic of Israeli military actions, while also navigating complex diplomatic relations in the region. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.